Empower login. Problems usually come from incorrect credentials, outdated app versions, or temporary bank and server verification issues that block access before the dashboard loads. By the end, you'll know why login failures happen, how to fix them step by step, and what to check first so you can get back into your account quickly. Start with the most common issue. Incorrect login details are the simplest and most frequent reason Empower won't let you sign in. Even a small change like an updated password or autofill error can block access completely. The fix is to reset your password directly through the login screen and try signing in manually instead of using saved credentials. Now move to the second issue. Outdated app versions can stop the login process from working correctly. If your app is not updated, it may fail to connect to Empower's servers during sign-in. Updating the app from the App Store or Google Play often resolves login failures immediately. Now, explain a server-side issue. Sometimes Empower login issues happen because the system is temporarily down or experiencing high traffic. In these cases, the login screen may load slowly or fail after you enter your details. The only fix here is to wait and try again later. Now move into bank-related issues. Empower also checks your linked bank connection during login for account verification. If that connection is broken or outdated, it can delay or block access to your account dashboard. Now, explain device-related problems. Your phone settings can also interfere with login. Low storage, weak internet, or strict background restrictions can stop the app from loading your account properly. Switching to stable Wi-Fi and restarting your phone can often clear these issues. Now, explain what most users miss. Many people repeatedly try logging in without resetting their password or updating the app first. That creates more lockouts instead of solving the root problem. Now give a clear, step-by-step fix order. First, reset your password if needed. Second, update the Empower app. Third, check your internet connection and switch networks if necessary. Fourth, restart your device. Fifth, try logging in again manually instead of using autofill. Now summarize the key points. Most Empower login issues come from outdated apps or incorrect credentials. Server or bank connection issues can also block access temporarily. And simple resets or updates usually fix the problem quickly. One practical next step. Go to the login screen and reset your password first, because credential issues are the fastest and most common cause of login failures. Like and subscribe for simple fixes for finance apps without confusion or wasted steps.